नमस्कार दोस्तों, आपका स्वागत है विजन आईएएस प्रिलिमिनरी टेस्ट सीरीज 2 के पार्ट 2 में। यह वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें एंड शेयर करें। In this lecture, we will continue from question number 51. Consider the following statement with respect to the Open Skies Treaty. Only members of the NATO alliance can join the treaty. Under the treaty, a member state can spy on any part of the host nation with the latter consent. The correct answer of question number 51 is B. 2 only. The next question is question number 52. Consider the following statement with reference to defense testing infrastructure scheme. Its objective is to provide indigenous defense production by bridging gaps in defense testing infrastructure. The scheme is limited to setting up DTI in the Defense Industrial Corridor DIC only. The correct answer of question number 52 is A. 1 only. The next question is question number 53. With respect to the clear jurisdiction of the Supreme Court to grant special leave, which of the following statement is correct? It is applicable only to civil and criminal matters. It is a discretionary power of the Supreme Court. The correct answer of question number 53 is B. 2 only. The next question is question number 54. With reference to the local self-government in India, consider the following statement. Local government is a subject under the concurrent list of the 7th schedule of the Constitution. The provisions of the Part 9 of the Constitution do not apply to the Union territories. Which of the statements given above are correct? The correct answer of question number 54 is D. Neither 1, neither 2. The next question is question number 55. Consider the following statement with respect to appropriation bill. The government cannot withdraw money from the Consolidated Fund of India till the enactment of the appropriation bill. It is introduced only in Lok Sabha. Which of the statement above are correct? The correct answer of question number 55 is C. Both 1 and 2. The next question is question number 56. Which of the following benefits are enjoyed by a nationally recognized political party in India? They are given free electoral rolls by the Election Commission. The election symbol of that party cannot be used by any other political party in polls across India. They get land or building from the government to set up their party offices. Select the correct answer using the code given below. The correct answer of question number 56 is D. 1, 2 and 3. The next question is question number 57. With reference to the District Planning Committee under Part 9 of the Constitution, consider the following statement. It prepares a draft development plan by consolidating the plans prepared by panchayat and municipalities in the district and forwards it to the state government. 2/3 of the members of a District Planning Committee are to be elected by the elected members of the district panchayat and municipalities in the district from amongst themselves. Which of the statement given above is correct? The correct answer of question number 57 is A. 1 only. The next question is question number 58. Consider the following statement with reference to the reservation of seats under the PESA Act. The reservation for the scheduled tribe in every panchayat cannot be less than half of the total number of seats. All seats of chairperson of panchayats at all levels have to be reserved for the scheduled tribes. The correct answer of question number 58 is C. Both 1 and 2. The next question is question number 59. Consider the following statement with respect to the collective privilege of the Houses of Parliament. Parliament has the right to publish its report, debates and proceedings and also the right to prohibit others from publishing the same. Parliament can punish any individual for breach of its privileges. Parliament has the right to receive immediate information about the arrest, detention, conviction, imprisonment and release of the member of the House. The correct answer of question number 59 is D. 1, 2 and 3. The next question is question number 60. With respect to the representation of Union territories in the Lok Sabha, the Constitution of India provides for direct election. provides for indirect election, empowers the Parliament to enact a law, provides for nomination by the Speaker. The correct answer of question number 60 is C. Empowers the Parliament to enact a law. The next question is International Energy Agency, an autonomous intergovernmental organization that provides critical analysis and insights on trends in energy demand and supply, is established in the framework of. The correct answer of question number 61 is C. Organization of Economic Cooperation and Development, OECD. The next question is question number 62. Consider the following statement regarding the Union Territory of Delhi. The CM of Delhi is appointed by the LG of Delhi. The minister holds office during the pleasure of Lieutenant Governor. The correct answer of question number 62 is D. Neither one, neither two. The next question is question number 63. With reference to the Vice President of India, consider the following statement. Vice President can be removed from his office by the process of impeachment. The resolution for removal must be passed by a special majority by both the houses of the Parliament separately. The Constitution has not mentioned any ground for the removal of the Vice President. The correct answer of question number 63 is C. 3 only. The next question is question number 64. In India, none of the above or not the option on the ballot paper or the EVM refers to the right to seek re-election, the right to not vote for any candidate secretly, the right to express lack of faith in the electoral process, the right to seek re-election with a new set of candidates. The correct answer of question number 64 is B. The next question is question number 65. Consider the following statement with reference to Legislative Council. The Constitution of India lays down that a person to be elected to it must be an electoral for an assembly's constituency in the concerned state. The council must return a money bill in 14 days. The member of the Legislative Council cannot be the Chief Minister or Minister. Which of the statement given above is correct? The correct answer of question number 65 is D. 2 only. The next question is question number 66. Which of the following will not lead to the disqualification of a member of Parliament on the grounds of defection? The correct answer of question number 66 is D. If a nominated member of the House joins a political party within 3 months of his becoming a member. The next question is this wildlife sanctuary is a part of Elephant Reserve located in Dibrugarh, a district of Assam in India. It is famous for Assam Valley tropical wet evergreen forest. Recently, the National Board for Wildlife has granted permission for coal mining in this reserve. The above passage describes which of the following wildlife sanctuary. The correct answer of question number 67 is B. Dehing Patkai Wildlife Sanctuary. The next question is question number 68. Sekatkar committee recently in news is related to question number 68 is answer of question number 68 is D. Reforms in armed forces. The next question is question number 69. Consider the following statement with respect to the legislative procedure for passing an ordinary bill in state legislature with a legislative council. The correct answer of the above given statement are correct are question number 69 is D. Neither one, neither two. The next question is question number 70. Consider the following statement regarding the nomination of members of the Rajya Sabha. Which of the statements given above is correct? The correct answer of question number 70 is B. 2 only. The rationale of nomination of the Rajya Sabha is to provide eminent and experienced person a place without going through the process of election. The next question is question number 71. Consider the following statement with reference to the President of India. He should be qualified as member of either House of Parliament. The Constitution empowers the Parliament to determine the allowances, emoluments and privileges of the President. Which of the statements given above is correct? The correct answer of question number 71 is B. 2 only. The next question is question number 72. Consider the following statement with respect to the language in Parliament. Any of the language mentioned in the 8th schedule can be used for transacting business in the Parliament. A member can address the House in his mother tongue. Which of the statement given above is correct? The correct answer of question number 72 is B. 2 only. The next question is question number 73. In post-independent India, which of the following sections of the society have been provided with reservation of seats in the Lok Sabha? Scheduled caste, other backward classes, women, religious minorities. Select the correct answer using the code given below. The correct answer of question number 73 is C. 1 only. The next question is question number 74. Consider the following statement regarding the Comprehensive Nuclear Test Ban Treaty, CTBT. The CTBT ban any nuclear weapon test, explosion or any other nuclear explosion. The treaty also helps prevent human suffering and environmental damages caused by nuclear testing. India is not a signatory to CTBT. The correct answer of question number 74 is D. 1, 2, 3. All options are correct. The next question is question number 75. Consider the following statement with reference to the legislative powers of the President. He adjourns meeting of both the houses of the Parliament. He nominates 2 members of the Anglo-Indian community in the Lok Sabha. Which of the statements given above is correct? The correct answer of question number 75 is D. Neither 1, neither 2. The next question is question number 76. Which of the following is not provided for by the Representation of Peoples Act 1951? The correct answer of question number 76 is B. Qualification of voters. The next question is question number 77. With respect to the subordinate courts, consider the following statement. The sessions judge has the power to impose capital punishment. The Chief Judicial Magistrate tries criminal cases that are punishable with imprisonment for a term of up to 7 years. Which of the statements given above is correct? The correct answer of question number 77 is C. Both 1 and 2. The next question is question number 78. What happens when an elected member of the House does not subscribe to an oath? He can participate in the proceeding of the House but not vote. He is eligible to parliamentary privilege and immunities. The correct answer of the question number 78 is D. Neither 1, neither 2. The next question is question number 79. With an aim to break down the border barriers between the states, the Constitution of India under Article 301 declares that trade, commerce and intercourse throughout the territory of India shall be free, but with few exceptions. With reference to the above paragraph, consider the following statement. Parliament can impose restrictions on the freedom of trade, commerce or intercourse between the states in the public interest. Parliament may give preference to one state over another state in the case of scarcity of goods in any part of India. Which of the statement given above is correct? The correct answer of question number 79 is C. Both 1 and 2. The next question is question number 80. Which of the following page is correctly matched? Initiative, objective. Mission Sagar, Indian Navy to repatriate Indian citizens from overseas. Operation Samudra Setu, medical assistance to Indian Ocean region countries. Operation Warp Speed, accelerate the development of vaccine for COVID-19. The correct answer of question number 80 is C. 3 only. Operation Warp Speed, accelerate the development of vaccine for COVID-19. The next question is question number 81. Which of the following is correct with reference to the system of Panchayati Raj in India? Panchayati Raj institutions have been given constitutional status through the 73rd Amendment Act 1992. The Constitution provides for an option of a 2-tier system of Panchayati Raj in states having a population not exceeding 20 lakh. The correct answer of question number 81 is C. Both 1 and 2. The next question is question number 82. With reference to zonal councils, consider the following statement. They are statutory bodies. The Union Home Minister is the chairman of each of these councils. The correct answer of question number 82 is C. Both 1 and 2. The next question is question number 83. The office of the leader of the house is provided under. The correct answer of question number 83 is B. Rules of procedure and conduct of businesses. The next question is question number 84. The committee considers the demand for grants of the concerned ministries. It secures the accountability of the executive and also assists in debating the budget. The members to the committee are nominated by the presiding officer of both the houses. Which of the following committee is described by the above passage? The correct answer of question number 84 is C. Department Related Standing Committee. The next question is question number 85. Consider the following statement regarding center-state financial relations. The property or income of corporation and companies owned by a state cannot be taxed by the center. All the property of center within a state are subject to state taxation. Which of the statements given above is correct? The answer of question number 85 is D. Neither one, neither two. The next question is question number 86. Consider the following statement. The maximum strength of the Legislative Council depends on the total strength of Legislative Assembly. Currently, 7 states have created the Legislative Councils. 1/3 of the members of the Legislative Council are elected directly by the people of the state. Which of the statement given above is correct? The correct answer of question number 86 is A. One only. The next question is question number 87. The act for decreasing or increasing the voting age limit must be passed by. Question number 87. The correct answer of question number 87 is C. Special majority and consent of half of the state. Question number 88. It is one of the particularly vulnerable tribal groups found in Maharashtra and parts of Gujarat. They are known for their old occupation of making katesu, the thickened sap from the wood of khair. Recently, people from this tribe is associated with setting up a successful enterprise in the marketing of Giloy, a minor forest produce used by pharmaceutical companies. Which of the following tribes is being described by the above passage? The correct answer of question number 88 is D. Katkari tribes. The next question is question number 89. Which of the following may be regarded as the importance of having a bicameral legislature? It gives representation to different sections of society. It gives representation to all geographical regions of the country. It acts as revising body and prevents potential abuse of power. Select the correct answer using the code given below. The correct answer of question number 89 is D. 1, 2 and 3. The next question is question number 90. Which of the following are voluntarily discretionary or optional provisions under the Part 9 of the Constitution, giving representation to MPs and MLAs in the panchayats falling within their constituencies, direct election to all seats in panchayat at the village, intermediate and district levels, providing reservation of seats for backward classes in panchayat. Select the correct answer using the code given below. The correct answer of question number 90 is C. 1 and 3 only. The next question is question number 91. Which of the following does not lapse on the dissolution of the Legislative Assembly of the state? Select the correct answer using the code given below. The correct answer of question number 91 is C. 1 and 3 only. A bill pending in the council but not passed by the assembly. A bill passed by the legislature but pending assent of the governor or the president. The next question is question number 92. With reference to the panel of the vice chairperson of the Rajya Sabha, consider the following statement. The vice president nominates among the members of a panel of vice chairpersons. The member of the panel of vice chairperson presides over the house when the office of the chairman or the deputy chairman is vacant. The correct answer of question number 92 is A. 1 only. The next question is question number 93. Consider the following statement with reference to the reservation of a bill by the governor for the consideration of the president. If the president returns the bill for the reconsideration of the state legislature, it has to consider it within 6 months. If the bill is again passed by the state legislature with or without amendment and presented to the president, he is bound to give assent to the bill. It is obligatory for the governor to reserve the bill for the consideration of the president which endangers the position of state high court. Which of the statement given above is are correct? The correct answer of question number 93 is B, 1 and 3 only. The next question is question number 94. Consider the following statement with reference to the dissolution of panchayat under the constitution. The Constitution of India has not specified the ground for dissolution of panchayat. The new panchayat constituted upon the dissolution of a panchayat before the expiration of its duration continues only for the remainder of the period. Which of the statement given above is are correct? The correct answer of question number 94 is C, both 1 and 2. The next question is question number 95. Which of the following qualification is laid down by the Constitution for the appointment of a person as a governor? Select the correct answer using the code given below. The correct answer of question number 95 is B, 1 and 3 only. The next question is question number 96. Which of the following statement is correct with reference to the governor of a state? He is entitled to such emolument, allowances and privileges as may be determined by the state legislature. One person cannot be appointed as governor of more than one state. The Constitution does not lay down any grounds upon which a governor may be removed from his office. The correct answer of question number 96 is C, 3 only. The next question is question number 97. Which of the following committee recommended by a two-tier Panchayati Raj system with a Jilla Parishad at the district level, and below it the Mandal Panchayat consisting of a group of villages? The correct answer of question number 97 is C, Ashok Mehta Committee. The next question is question number 98. Consider the following pairs: Union Territory and under the territorial jurisdiction of Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Madras High Court; Lakshadweep Islands, Kerala High Court; Daman and Diu, Gujarat High Court. Which of the pair given above are correctly met? The correct answer of question number 98 is B, 2 only. Lakshadweep Island is under Kerala High Court. The next question is question number 99. Consider the following statement with regard to the Stevens Committee. The committee, which first constituted in 1950 on the recommendation of P.T. Jawaharlal Nehru, its members are only from the Lok Sabha. The correct answer of the question number 99 is B, 2 only. The next question and the last question of this video is question number 100. Which of the following statement is correct with reference to the executive powers of the governor? He appoints the state election commissioner and determines his condition of service. He appoints and removes the chairman and members of the State Public Service Commission. Select the correct answer using the code given below. The correct answer of question number 100 is A, 1 only. He appoints the State Election Commission and determines his condition of service. Thank you guys. This is the video of second test series part 2. If you like this video, then please like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you so much.